So I've had some fruit flies in the house, so I made a trap. What you do is you could just take a water bottle. You see all them? You take a water bottle and you put a bunch of stuff that the fruit flies like I put an orange in there, some syrup, some pasta, tomato stuff, and then you make a little cone like that into the lid, into the top, and you tape it shut so they go down into that hole to get the food here, to get their food here, and then they can't get out. So it looks like it's really working. I just set this up yesterday and I'm really catching a lot.